Right, wicked. So that's going on. Just gonna do some Instagram videos and stuff. Everything alright here. Wicked. I'll do this as well. So visual camera. Beautiful. So we'll get running, guys. It'll be great. Welcome, welcome. So this is a new week again. What can I see over here? Ooh, interesting. Coming towards Danny's lows over here. Morning. Right, amazing, guys. So I'm just gonna do an Instagram. What up, squad? Morning. Let's go to YouTube. Make sure to join the fun. We are live now. Let's go. What up, squad? So we're gonna do a breakdown of GG, and it's gonna be amazing. So let's get started over here. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. I'm not gonna use FXCM because fuck doing that now. Right? Okay, beautiful. So daily time frame is a bit bearish right now, which is fine. The last one did close bullish, which is fine. Still ill, bro. Nah, I'm alright. I got a bit of a nose, but I'm not too bad. Which is good because I'm getting my vaccine today. So let's have a look here. Daily flip is at this point, so you know it does look like at the moment the daily is making a lower wick at this time. Beautiful. Morning, everyone. Lovely. So 4 hour as well. 4 hours on the same flip over here. So interesting. Take a look. Beautiful. So they're right on the same points over here, nearly. Let's move this one down a bit further there. Beautiful. So yeah, it looks like at the moment we're just chilling. We're coming towards this kind of zone, which is quite interesting. There's lots of wicks that are rejected before. Same here. So as long as you don't get closures here, it could be nice. But you know, if this candle just starts to retrace back up and then flip, I think it could be quite good for some buys over here. But still, we'll still go along. So let's take a look at the hourly over here. Yeah, so it looks like we're in a bit of consolidation. What I can really see from here is I can see a lot of traffic towards the left and a lot of support. So support was here, support's maybe here, question mark. So then therefore we found our support line. So what we have to do is to come over here, get a rectangle, and for me it looks like it's going to be easier traffic if we get cells below the zone over here. So I'm going to be driving my zone here. This is the hourly. I'm going to see in the 30-minute and 50-minute if I can get it cleaner. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, so probably preferably 182, because if we do drop below here, we can then come 10 pips, 20 pips, which is also a resistance line. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at over here. So GJ sells probably below 150, 182. Let me just change this. This is too relaxing. One second. Ah, fuck off. One second. There we go. Oh shit, I have to sign in 1 second. There we go. Okay, sorry guys. Right. Oh wait. Fuck off. Oh my god. Give me some music now, please. I've already just signed in. Holy shit. Oh, fuck off. 1 second. Sorry guys, 1 second over here. This fucking YouTube's really... Oh my god! What the fuck does it want me to do? Okay, 1 second. One second over here. Cool for this account. Right, okay, I'm going to use this then. Here we go.
You're a marketing explorer.
1 second over here, guys. There we go, that's a bit better. Right, wicked. I think it's going to be working now, guys. Beautiful. So I think it's all working now. Great. So welcome, guys. Yeah, so we're going to be doing this GJ. So you can see, for me, I'm going to be looking for sales below 151.91. It's going to be a nice level, I think. Preferably for that region. So we can get rid of all this traffic over here and get some nice trades down. So, so 150.187. Oh shit. And yeah, that's gonna be looking pretty good over here. Quite like that. Oh my fucking god. Right. Oh well. Right, okay, yeah. So sells below here. And then I'm gonna be looking for buys. Let's look at the hourly at this time. 1 second over here. 1 second. Is the YouTube okay? Guys, text in the YouTube if you guys can see in here. I think it's okay. And then buys are going to be looking a bit choppy over here, probably around about this region as well, to get rid of all this traffic over here. So 150.634 is what I'm going to be looking for, I think, and that's going to be looking pretty tasty. So buys above 150.643. Beautiful. I think I'm going to redo this 1 second. Sign-ins, man. It's not paused. Oh my god. 1 second over here. One second. This is fucking pain in the arse. Here we go. Right, we're back now. Wicked. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're going to be looking for GG. Now we just need to wait patiently. 1 second over here. Just need that because I can hear. So that's going to be very, very easy. And then for gold, let's take a look at gold over here. Right, this time. I'm going to use the Awanda one now because I know everyone wants me to. Batima. What the fuck does that mean? Morning, morning. Kaka. Have you sorted your magic keys out? Your magic keys you won. So daily time frame again. Look at this gold on gold. Gold is retracing over here, pretty decent. Reacted off this level like we've seen, starting to come up now. Amazing. So let's take a look at the daily time frame over here. Daily, yep, it's a little bit bearish. It's making a low wick at this time. Not too shabby. Let's look at the 4 hour over here. 4 hour is also bearish. Nothing much in it though, which is fine. Let's look at the 30 minute. Oh wow. So 30 minutes coming down over here. Look at what it did. It reacted off this level right here and here. Looks like it is starting to come down at this time, which is interesting. So for me, I'm going to be looking for probably buys above that zone anyway. So looking for probably buys above 1762 to continue back up. But it looks like we are dropping down now. And you know, there's a little bit of traffic here. I mean, let's have a look. Let me measure something 1 second. Let's measure from here to here. It's quite a hard one. Let's take a look. I think it's going to be a lot easier if you get sells below this zone over here. 1757 are going to be looking pretty easy sells, because what you can do is then come down. We've got clean candles kind of to the left, then come down. It's a nice 50 pip zone we can drop into, so that could be pretty decent over here. Hope everyone had a really good weekend as well. Everyone stayed safe and had some good times. Yeah, I saw the James Bond movie. I actually really rated it. I thought it was fun. 7-0. Really rated it. It was really fun. Beautiful. Make sure to like the stream, guys. If you guys are new here, let's get this up and running, guys. Amazing. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be looking for. It looks like wow, let's just see here. Yeah, 7 AM with the closure below. And the flip was quite nice at this time. 150 pips. Beautiful. I'm gonna be taking a look at some charts in a second as well, guys. So make sure you get ready for that. Yeah, GJ at the moment, still a bit in the chalked zone. Let's take a look at Forex Factory over here. So Always need to check that. I've got some chuff news coming out. Spanish unemployment change. So OPEC meetings. So nothing really to worry about, really. Which is good. That's what we want. We want clean days. Let me take a look at the Telegram over here. I'm just going to take a look at some people's charts. So let me take a look here. So this was sent before my analysis. Yep, 7:15. So let's see what he's saying. So this is from Michael. Beautiful. So buys above 150, 650 looks pretty good. Yep, to continue. Some problems at this level. Yep, but that's still quite a nice range of 20 pips. It sells below the 200 level to come back down. Beautiful. So very, very easy. So look, already one of my students knows how to mark up the charts properly and knows what he's looking for and has a wait. Beautiful. I was thinking sells below 150 to 20. So for me, yeah, you guys, have you got any hourly over here? Yeah, it's all good. The reason why I have mine quite lower is because if we do get some sells like from here, we still have lots of wicks and traffic. I'd rather just get the closure below here. For me, Max, what do you think about the Pandora papers and how it will react with USD GBP pairs? The Pandora papers? I have no idea what that is. Good morning, Max. Good morning. Good morning. 17 likes, amazing guys. 33 people already. What time is it? 7:30. Jeez. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking for closures above. I think that's gonna be quite a good option. 4 hours flipping now. Look what it's doing now. It's rejecting them lows. Quite good over here. So yeah, I think that's gonna be quite interesting. Right, just get my MetaTrader on here. Beautiful. And nice. So now we just can chill, relax, all that good stuff over here. And wait until the option comes. But we do this every single morning. Nothing really changes at all, really. So we just yeah, we just have a bit of fun with it. Where's the one? Ah, there. So yeah, beautiful. If you guys have any questions and stuff, make sure to ask me in the comments. Let's take a look at Discord as well. Let's take a look at Discord over here. So where is it? If you guys haven't joined Discord, make sure you have. It is a pretty good way to socialize with people. And yeah, let's take a look. Oh, no charts to the stream. Oh no, we have. We got Brown. Let's get the charts in, lads. Yeah, come on. Let's put some charts in this bitch. So what we're looking at here, GJ. Yeah, we're looking for some sort of movement, either above or below. So look, we could be fluid. We don't know where it's going to go at the moment. We're flicking between higher time frame 4-hour candles, but when that does happen, and we start to get some direction, it should be okay up here. So yeah, pretty tasty here. Sells below with major levels as target and a runner. Yeah, looks pretty nice. Beautiful. So we just have to be patient to wait. I think they wanted to start taxing the super rich instead of the poor. The news came out yesterday about billionaires across the globe hiding offshore accounts. I mean, that was just obvious. Thing is, though, I mean, yeah, they can. I wish they could find a way, but you know, it's very, very hard because they've got the best lawyers. Like, I mean, they can do some pretty wild stuff, and they corrupt people they can ask for. But as you can see here, look, you know, we are doing kind of similar what we're doing here and here. As long as you do flip and exceed, at this point we should continue to drive up. And the exceeding is nearly where we're doing the trade, so that's pretty good. Over here. Andrea, good morning, beautiful. So 21 likes, guys. Make sure you like that button if you guys haven't already. I'm going to be doing a YouTube video this week as well. All that good stuff. And yeah, we're just chilling, which is going to be fun. So gold over here, yeah, gold's interesting as well. Kind of want to see where it goes, to be honest. It's going to be quite interesting. 43 viewers, amazing, guys. Good for another week, man. I've got some Instagram videos I'm pushing today, so if you guys haven't followed my Instagram, make sure to do that. It's here. One second. If you guys did just come over from YouTube, then there's my Instagram. So look, flipping again for gold. I think it's getting into gold now would be quite bad because look, it's only 10 pips to the next zone. Is it worth it to get into a trade? Probably not. It's good to wait for confirmations below over here. Anyone watch any football as well yesterday? Oh, I watched that Man U game. That was fucking sick. It was very, very good. Okay. This is looking nice over here. Starting to make some support this time, which is good. I'm liking that. Flipping the 4 hour look, so daily 4 hour both bullish now. Obviously they're only very weak, so you have to wait a bit more. But starting to, where these wicks are rejection wicks from the low, just like they kind of did over here, to then push and drive up. That's what they should be doing. So, put my charts in London discussion. Sorry if wrong group. That's okay. I'll have a look. Okay. So this is Libra. What the fuck? Alright, no, it's just someone's own thing. It's GG again. So looking for possible bearish continuation, possible bullish. Yeah, so closures above there are gonna be looking nice. This is on the 4 hour time frame, so it is still in the bearish trend over here. But hopefully we can kind of break out of that today, maybe. Beautiful. So gold analysis over here. Strong downtrend has been broken. Yeah, I think that's very, very true. Good observation. We were very, very bearish every day. We just waited for the sells to come, but it looks like we've pulled up over here. So we're gonna have to see it this time. That'll be very, very interessante. Yeah, gold spot. As previously mentioned in the previous post, I was looking for rejection around 1759. My entry could have been better. So did that play out nicely? Let's take a look over here. You got in about 4 AM, like here. Yeah, you would have. Yeah, it went to like 1762. Nice. As long as you took some profits over there, I think it would have been pretty good. And we got gold USD looking pretty good over here. That's where it was. Nice. Hit stop loss at break even. Still 10 pips for the day. Looking back at trade, I probably wouldn't take it, even though I did get 10 pips. I did say it was quite low. Yeah, I didn't really like it. And in the middle of the Asian session, there's usually not much volume. Yeah, exactly. Some trades, you could still work the trades at Asian, but normally their volume's fucking ass. So that's why I don't trade Asian. It's because it's just shit volume. If it was really good volume, I probably would trade it, but the volume's ass. So hell no. I got that on now. Yes, there we go, wicked. So yeah, very, very cheeky here. We're just waiting. I'm going to be looking at GBPAUD as well soon. And yeah, we'll get it going. So if you guys are new here as well, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We've got like 1,030 now. We gained a lot last week. Wow, look at that spike. Damn, son. It's quite interesting. So, daily time frame over here, bearish, nice, okay. Nice, pretty decent. This is the daily flip, 4 hours. So, if people are new here, the dailies and the 4 hour flips are just so I can see them on the smaller time frame, so I can see where the flips are. So, this is the 4 hour flip over here. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, so quite bad price action over here, if you can see. So for me, I'm going to be looking for probably sells below, let's see, this zone over here. So if I got into sells below this time, do I have enough volume? Yeah, 20 pips to here. So, sells below 1.86250 is going to be quite decent. The only issue is there's a little support here, so maybe a bit further like this time. And then to drive down, we've got like 15 pips to the next zone. And if we do break that over here, let's take a look at the left hand side. We could actually come down and fill this zone up, which is like lots of wicks, but right about this area over here. Decent. Quite a nice area to drop at that time. For buys, buys are choppy over here. So it looks like GBPAUD is looking a bit chalked at the moment. It's struggling. For me, for buys, I kind of want to just get rid of this whole situation. So probably buys above this zone over here. I think that would be quite delicious. For me, 51 viewers, amazing guys. Beautiful. I don't think you'll affect the charts. It's annual tax. Yeah. So that's what we're waiting for GBPAUD. But yeah, it looks quite chalked. Not the best for GBPAUD. GJ's flipped again over here. Needs to bring some volume in. Come on, man. So you can see it is just in a flagpole over here, basically. It's just waiting. This whole area. 1 second. Oh shit. This whole area, from here to here, just waiting for a breakout. That's all we're doing. Very, very simple. Very, very easy. All we're doing is waiting for the breakout. And then when that happens, we can execute a trade. But there's no point in getting in early because you don't know. This could reject here to come down. It could reject for the highs. We don't know. So you have to wait patiently. 54 viewers, amazing guys. If you guys are new here, make sure to say hi in the chat if you guys are new here. Amazing, beautiful. But yeah, we're just waiting very, very patiently over here. It's mad. Let's take a look at Asian though. Yeah, where was Asian? Asian like here. Yeah, just ranging. Just ranging, man. Good morning, Ollie. Maynard. Good morning. I bet you the 4 winners made sure their magic keys worked before even open trade and view this morning. Yeah, man. The magic key boys. The magic keys. That was wild good. We'll do some more giveaways for sure. Well, I've already got a giveaway thing on the Telegram. So when we hit 35 people, I'm going to be doing a giveaway worth over £100. So that's going to be pretty cool. And yeah, we're pretty fire. My first LS with you. Wow, amazing. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. It's quite quiet now, but trust me, when we get into some trades or we have some fun, I'm quite a loud person. I make it a bit of fun. I'm not a boring streamer, I'm telling you. I'm not a boring streamer, man. Let me just go get my vape, 1 sec. How are you doing this morning, Max? Good, good, good. I'm feeling a bit better. My skin's a bit bad though. It's just fucking annoying me because it's getting better. But it's wearing these headphones on all day, man. So I'm really looking at getting some AirPod Pros or something. Hi Max, you kept my GU chart I sent in Telegram. For sure, man, for sure. Let's take a look. GBPUSD. Let's take a look. So this is GBPUSD on the 30-minute chart. Early buys above resistance, both 4-hour and daily will be bullish. Yep. But can I see no lower wick on that 30? There's no lower wick there. Right here. If so, maybe wait until 22 minutes time to get the closure, because if he has no bottom wick on the 30-minute, the percentage chance that we're going to make a bottom wick is very, very bad. Very, very high, sorry. But yeah, if you do get a closure above here, this is a nice zone to fill. So 20 pip zone, buys of resistance, 30 pip range, clean candles to the left, both 4-hour and daily will be bullish. Yeah, that's beautiful. So yeah, GBPUSD looks pretty good over here. That's a really good chart. So if we go and have a look over here, GBPUSD. Yeah, it looks pretty good over here. It's just closing right now. Look at the 30-minute. Let's get rid of this. So, looking to the left over here, we do see resistance here. But if we do get a closure above, let's take a look. It could be quite good over here. What time is it now? So yeah, so 15 minutes left. Maybe just wait until this 30-minute closes, because look, the 30-minute has no bottom wick. So if people are new here, the reason why I don't like bottom wick is because look at all the candles, right? You know, 85% of all candles have a bottom wick and a top wick. So we know if you get into a buy here, even though it looks nice, there's an 85% chance that this is going to make a bottom wick. So normally we just wait. We can wait until the hourly closes as well, makes the lower wick, and then continues over here. That looks pretty good. By the way, don't you get a camera with a mic and just add speakers? Then you can do it with this headphones. Yeah, but the camera mic will be shit quality. It'll sound like a fucking goldfish tank. That'll be really bad. That's the only issue. Cause yeah, I know, it makes sense. Glad to hear you're feeling better. Yeah, man, thank God. I love you, stop loss. Yes, squad. Tyrone Jackson. I love that name. That's sick. But yeah, we're just chilling over here, man. We're just chilling, quite a slow start, but that's fine. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. So that is good over here. Not even 8 o'clock, so we vibing. Gold over here, tapping that zone over here, nice. GPY still coming up. Hasn't got a 30-minute low wick either. Get controller set up with the arm mic. Yeah, I know. So he's got arm mic and then he's got the headphones. I might get some AirPod Pros. Let me see. 1 second. Huh? Do. How much are they on here? Yeah, 200 quid. Renewed 164. Oh, so where's someone renewed though? That's awful. I can't wear the normal ones because they don't fit in my ear. I don't know why, they just don't. Which is rather fucking annoying. But what can you do, eh? Come on, GJ, give me some volume in this bitch. So look, it's gonna be making maybe a low wick over here. Let's to see. So still got a lot of time over here though for the hourly closure, which would be pretty good. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so today I'm going to be posting the time webinar, which is going to be pretty sick. Talk about all about the timing of candles, because they're very, very important. So if you guys are interested in joining the mentorship, we've got a big squad now. Actually, it's like 23 people. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link down in the chat. We do simulations every week. We do beautiful stuff. I'm actually fucking knackered from all, and I do 2 live streams. So NY session we do there as well, just private as well. And then we got a great trade actually last Friday. So I'll show you what that was. That was pretty cool. Where the fuck is it? Over here. So this is the beautiful. So this is the whole Zoom session. Let's take a look over here. So look, I'm waiting for this closure at this time. I'm not getting in early. Some people got in early, but I said no, I'm gonna wait for the closure.
Look at different charts.
And then what's happened? Look.
4 hours faked out. I don't get rejected. So if you do exceed the low of the previous 15, it's not the best. But for no, this week it's been quite a hot over here.
And look at this.
5 pips. If you push a bit high over here, I'm gonna put stop loss to break even at this time.
And then look. We keep on continuing, man. And I actually.
You guys do. So you guys. Market's amazing. Very, very easy.
And then it hit TP3 as well. 1 second. Look at all that analysis as well. Bam, boy. Then there we go. Here. It'll hit TP3 at this time, which is at 600. There we go. So that was very, very
properly.
clean. If you guys saw that
These are
move
the
yesterday, it was very, very clean. The 30-minute closed above. It was beautiful. Very, very timed well. So yeah, very, very cheeky. I might put the recap on Instagram today. Yeah, we caught like 30 pips, which is pretty decent. Yeah, so gold, I'm still waiting for this low, but the thing is that we have changed direction now. So look, we have changed direction. We had, how much is your mentorship? $49.99 a month. So, for example, last week we made 100 pips profit, so it was like 130 win, and then like, no, to be fair, we took 16 pip loss on gold and a 6 pip loss on GJ. The rest is winners. So if you can work out your maths and if that pays for you, then pretty good. How many people are in it at the moment? 23 or 24. At 35, you get the giveaway. And out of 23 people, I think one person is cancelled. So if that doesn't show you something, then I don't know what does. So yeah, look, we've broken the channel over here. We're broken it. So that's very, very interesting. And also, as you've seen here, the daily candle has closed bullish. 2 bullish, actually, so pretty mad over here. Pretty mad. But yeah, make sure to like the stream, guys, if you are new here as well. 33 likes, amazing. Amazing. If you guys have any questions about trading, if you guys are new or whatever, just make sure to ask them. I love just asking all the questions. The questions help me out. Just ask away. But yeah, James Bond movie, rated it. I actually really did enjoy it. Some people said that the ending was a bit bad. Oh, that's alright. I'm not gonna have any spoilers. Let's see what IMDb gave it. 7.7. That's a good rating for IMDb. I thought it was done well. I saw an IMAX as well, mate. I am a tech nerd, man. I just love shit like that. Also, what I've realized is, so I went to the Apple store, right? And like, I've realized now, because this monitor that I'm on right now, this one here, is 165 hertz. My iPad is 120, and my phone's only 60. And I went in the store, and like the 13 Pro has 120 hertz now, and I can just feel the difference. Like when I go into 60 frames, I can't hack 50 frames anymore. It's awful. It's so fucking shit. I need the 120 hertz, man. It's just smooth. It's just nice. Really rate it. So GJ over here is starting to come up now. Nice. It's got a 30-minute, beautiful. Still, there's no really confirmation for me yet. I'm still just chilling over here. If you do get closures above 635 though, wow, could be pretty good. Could be pretty good. Found consistency in seeing charts like you, bro. Amazing. Yeah, that's what I did. You know, that's all I did. Just I would watch Raj's trades. You know, everyone keeps on saying to me, "Oh, like I'm glad to see another market fluidity member like doing well." I'm like, I didn't take it, but like fair enough. Like I used his Zoom, is not a Zoom, his YouTube videos, but I never took the course. I just listened to him. If you just fucking listen, you're gonna be pretty good over here. I did a lot of courses, spent a lot, lost a lot, and found consistency on just GJ and Gold seeing you. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Darl Hawkins, for subscribing. Yeah, I think the whole course thing is just like, I mean, I could, I've said it numerous times, I could easily just do a course for like fucking 500 quid, but that's just an absolute waste of money. You can learn as much as you need in my mentorship group for 2 months, which is 100 quid, then fucking 500 for a shitty course. I'm telling you. I could probably literally do the NY private live stream and the London thing and still be worth it. Let's just move. I can hear an echo. Someone's mic. Yeah, very, very simple. Gold's starting to look nice. Ooh, let's take a look, Jay, over here. Oh, okay, 5 minutes time. Look at the daily. Yeah, so the daily is the only one that is not in our region over here. Oh, let's have a look at that. The 50-minute doesn't look too nice, to be honest, does it? Look at this shit. 30-minute looks nice though. So I mean, if we do get a closure in 5 minutes time over here, and we can start to make some kind of zone like this. So closure below, wait for the top wick, and then the drive down. That could be quite potential. 40 pip move, pretty decent over here. No more Rajaless streams, I don't think. He stopped doing them every day. Yeah, he doesn't need to do them anymore. And he did them consistently for like 2 years. Makes you feel, yeah, same Ming, yeah. That's what I was saying. This looks nice for closures on 30, but as he just said, and I just said, the 15 looks quite choppy over here. I may want to leave it for today. And also the daily's against us and hasn't exceeded the low. Sorry, not against us, it is with us, but hasn't exceeded the low. This could be just making the low actually continue up. Come on, GJ, get some volume in this bitch. Come on.
Morning, Max. How we doing?
Morning, morning. How you doing, man, Connor?
I'm good, man. I'm a little bit late up this morning, only just getting on now.
Fairs, bro. Have you seen anything?
What are you looking at? Not really, no.
Yeah, there's nothing really at the moment.
Yeah, price seems to be rejecting that 4-hour flip area, doesn't it?
Yeah, it keeps on flipping above and below. My bro, just keep on pushing. If you do get to 643 though, I think it's quite nice.
Yeah, I think if we can close sort of up there, we should be nice to continue up to maybe 900 and then 151.
Yeah, definitely. In goal, I mean, looks alright, but the issue is there's traffic over here. But it still looks nice for a closure in the 30. GBPAUD, yeah, this looks chalked as shit. Look at that.
Yeah, gold looked fire then, to be fair.
Yeah. The only issue is, yeah, the 15-minute over here. I don't really like this.
Yeah, true.
So that's kind of put me off. The 30-minute looks good though, but yeah, we'll have to wait over here. You know, identifying these zones, very, very good. Just chill. I've got a good quote that I'm putting on to Instagram today that someone said, and you know, the best traders are the ones who can just sit on the chart all day and just you know, wait 2 hours if there's no setup. Just leave the chart. It's the best way.
Definitely, man. Did you get up to much at weekend?
Yeah, man. Fuck. I went to so I went to see the James Bond film. I saw it in IMAX because I'm such a fucking nerd with that shit. And then went to the Ivy. Do you know the Ivy in Leeds?
Yeah.
So that was fucking sick. Like, I scoffed my face. And then we went to a bar called East 59. That was quite nice. And then we went to a club, like fucking all bar one. It was fucking well good, to be fair.
Yeah, man. Sounds like you had a good weekend.
Busy. What about you?
I just took it easy, to be fair, mate. My parents went on holiday, so I've got a house to myself, so I was just
No, I've got that too, to be fair. My mum and dad are going away. They're all going away. I'm like jealous, man. I'm going away in January though, so I'm quite happy. Actually, I'm going away. Yeah, going away Christmas and January.
Really? Yeah, where are you going?
So we're going Tenerife both times.
Very nice.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy with that. We go to a similar place every time. It's pretty good. Get some sun on my bones, man. I'm fucking so bored of being in this country, man. Get me out.
I know, man.
So a minute's time over here. We are getting the closure in the 30, but I'm actually going to leave it. And the reason why I'm going to leave it is because of this. I don't like this traffic towards here. It just doesn't appeal to me at all, really. So, but if this was clean at this point, this would be looking nice. As long as we get the closure below, would be pretty decent. What are your thoughts on Ronaldo being benched? Yeah, why was he benched? What time did he come and play on? Like, what time did he get on? Ollie can't manage. I think, yeah, I don't know. Like, hey, just joined today. What time do you start NY stream? 11:30, my boy. So 11:30, and if there's nothing at 11:30, I'll change it to 12, because that's where the volume comes in. So this is UK time. But yeah, I mean, Ronaldo again. I mean, Ollie. The issue is with them playing is like, I mean, I like watching them play because it's fucking, it's like eventful. Like, holy shit. Like, you know, there's no like pissing about. Like they're just throwing the ball. They don't like keeping the ball in their hands at all. They love fucking losing that bitch. Let's have a look over here then. So rejecting them highs again, not the best. Look at the 30 minute close bullish. It's still nothing really for me at all. Yeah, I think Ole Gunnar Solskjaer could do it, but bro, why don't they just chill in the midfield and just keep the ball, man? Just pass it around. Pep was good, Mad Mill. They should have got sent off, yeah, man. Oh shit, running down over here. GJ. Look at that volume, man. It's coming towards that zone again. Oh my god. Doesn't know where it wants to go, man. Very, very confused, GJ. It's coming down into this liquidity wick, like liquidity area again. So for me, I don't trust these cells at all. I want to wait to further below. Give me some more extra confirmation over here. 40 likes in the stream, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Beautiful. But yeah, it's quite a quiet Monday morning. Last Monday was not quiet at all. We got a sick trade. Beautiful. So coming down over here. Nice. Look at GU. Yeah, I'll take a look. 1 second. My IC market's just froze. Let me just get this bitch on again. A GBPUSD over here. Well, I'll take a look at that. Nice. Right, okay, beautiful. So let me take a look. GBPUSD. Okay. So 4-hour dailies actually turned bearish now, so we've rejected them highs over here. Nice. Looking pretty decent over here. So what am I really wanting to look for? Yeah, nothing really much, to be honest. I kind of want some structure either to the downside. So the issue is, look, getting into sells here. You've got support here. You've got support here. You know, it's just a very choppy. GBPUSD looks like shit. Sells below like that kind of zone. When we do exceed all of these to the left, could be quite nice over here. Nice. Let me just do something. Yeah, GBPUSD not really giving me anything, to be honest, just kind of ranging in this. And GJ as well. Oh my god, GJ. So just pull down at 8 o'clock, 15 pips, and now it's just chilling. Ollie is not good enough for a big team. He has no idea what the fuck he's doing. Yeah. I still like some players as well. Just need, like, Greenwood's really good, but bro, he needs to know when to pass, man. Holy fuck! The amount of times he's got into great situations where he can just square it, and he just fucking tries to blast it. Like, just get the fucking goal in, man. He needs to learn that assist to like the same as fucking goals, really. Like, he just needs to chill. Needs to chill his beans. Ronaldo's 36, gotta be rested sometimes. Yeah, I don't mind him being on the bench, to be honest. I don't mind him. When he comes on later on, that's fine. That Man City versus Liverpool yesterday was a great game as well. It was a sick game. I was watching it on the train. It's fire. So yeah, really nothing much going on, guys. We just have to chill. Bruno's touch though in that goal. Yeah, man. Bruno. So now we're flipping over here. Okay, great. Flipping the 4 hour again. The hourly is rejecting them lows again for like the fucking 20th time. So nice. Tasty. So yeah, coming up over here, nice. So yeah, I'm still looking for buys above the zone. Not really getting in any lower because of this volume. Like it's just kind of, you know, look at the 5 minute over here. It's just chilling. Not really too bothered. The 30-minute closed right on support over here. So even if you were looking for sells before, you shouldn't have taken them because this candle over here didn't close below. It closed on the support. So that would have been a very risky play over here. Very, very risky. So yeah, as we see now, we are flipped the higher time frames again. So we'll have to see if we can still continue. It has a little bit of resistance at this time, so if you do break above, it should be good. Should be goody, should be goody. 8 minutes time for this closure. Hopefully we can get a closure above. Might be able to be honest. So if you guys haven't learned anything on the stream, make sure to like it and subscribe. Subscriptions are coming in nicely over here. We actually gained so many subscribers last week. It was mad. Gained a good amount. 1,038 we're on now. Jeez, got 38 after 1,000. That's mad. For GG, I think above 57.40 is good for buys. Resistance 4 hour. Yeah, well, let's see over here. So we've got buys above. Yeah, let's see 2-3 pips. So this was done on the 30 minute. Yeah, let me move this to the 15. Yeah, to get rid of all this traffic over here. Oh wow, look, it's ran loads. Nice. Decent. Look at this volume coming in, man. Holy shit. That's 5 minute. Damn! That's looking pretty nice. Hopefully we then get the closure in 6 minutes time. Maybe you can. But yeah, later on we'll do the exact same thing. So like, you know, every single session is just the same for me really. We just mark out our zones, try and find some buys and sells, and if not, then we chill. We just move on to the next session. Yesterday in the trade that we were wanting, not yesterday, on Friday, the one that I just showed you here, this took
well. Beautiful. So yeah, 24 minutes. This candle still got a lot of time over here.
So we actually waited. So this is 270. So people wanted to get into trades now, but I knew that the hourly is going to close very, very soon. So I thought maybe just wait for here. And people who did actually get in early got wicked out, and I just waited. Looks like you got a buy stop over here. So yeah, 36 minutes it took me to wait for the trade. And people tried to get in a bit earlier here, but I just waited patiently, and then yeah, came off nice. Came off very nice. So yeah, hopefully we get a closure. Pretty delicious to continue. Now we've flipped it again, rejected them lows again. Shock. And then we can continue the moves up, which would be pretty decent over here. Check gold when enter sell. Yeah, no sell for me. So no, there's no sell. Because look, right, this candle over here, this candle right here should have closed like this. The body of the candle needs to close below. It didn't close below, it closed on support. You see, this candle closed on support. Therefore, you don't have the confirmation that we're gonna come down over here. As I said, if this candle did close below, like probably like here, then we've got the confirmation. You wait for the top wick, you wait for exceeding the low, and there you go. But we didn't get that, so there's no trade on gold. This is, you know, these little rules, you know, that should be silly, but they make me not get faked out. Very, very good. Itachi, morning guys, morning. So that is the whole point of it, you know. GBPAUD as well, chilling, nice. What if the 50-minute closed below for gold? Yeah, you could do, but what I said before is that the 50-minute look at the, look how short this is. So there's rejection here, eight pips away. There's rejection, all of these pips away. So you know, for me, I'm staying out of gold. It's too choppy at this time. If this was all eradicated, then I would have been fine, but it isn't so. If the market closes above, we wait for bottom wick to form before buys. Yes. Yeah, that's what we do. And that avoids you getting faked out. It also means you get a nicer stop loss or a risk managed stop loss because you can take off half of it, exceed its own low. It's just a perfect way of getting into a trade, which I preach all the time. So we're coming up over here. So if the 15-minute closes over here, nice. Now the only issue, what am I going to say is, if we're looking for buys, if this does close above, what is the issue? Someone tell me in Zoom or someone tell me in YouTube, what is then the issue if you get a closure above, like here? Stop loss, exactly. Your stop loss is going to be rather big. So what you're going to have to wait for, you're going to have to wait for the 30-minute closure, to then wait for the bottom wick, or you could wait for the 15 to make a bottom wick as well. For me, I'm probably going to wait for the 30-minute candle, I think, to give me the extra confirmation, because it is quite a lot of volume at the moment. So I kind of want to wait for the 30-minute to close to give me a bit more confirmation we're going to then continue up. So, you know, be patient, be, you know, all of them things, you know, just relaxed. We should be goody. Oh shit, didn't mean to do that. Ah, fuck off. Ah, shit. I got one of my keys set as a fucking clap when we take a trade. 1 second. There we go. Wow, look at that volume, man. Stop loss matters, yes sir. Stop loss matters. I love that name, Enzo. That's what I want to call my kid. Named after one of my favorite cars and favorite designer, Enzo Ferrari. Yeah, all of the names that my kids that I want for my kids are all Italian, and I literally have no Italian in me. But I suppose I like Italian cars. That'll be worth it. So let's see over here if you get the closure in 50 seconds time. Based on the daily time frame, I think we're going to see a bullish move today. Yep, me too. Me too. We're rejecting off these zones over here. Should start to continue coming up for sure. So 40 seconds time, we're getting a closure, which is going to look indecent. Wow, beautiful. So he's getting a closure. My only issue is these wicks over here. So for me, I kind of want the confirmation of the closure in 15 minutes time. I think it's going to look a lot better. So that's what I'm going to do. Amazing, guys. Make sure to try and like the screen. screen, the YouTube screen. Try and get it to 60, 70 likes, guys. Really helps me getting a new audience, and we can help other people as well. So it has got the closure over here. I'm going to start recording. It has got the closure, but the only issue is the 30-minute hasn't yet. But I mean, if this does pull down nicely over here and make a 10 pip stop loss and then to exceed, could be quite a good option. Maybe. Let's look at the hourly now. It's just because it's quite a choppy area. I think waiting for a 30 would give me more confirmation. But it has closed above on the 15, so let's just see how far this pulls down. So, you know, if this candle does pull down over here quite nicely into this zone, gives me a 10 pip stop right around this zone, and then starts to flip, oh my god. But the only issue is that'll probably be near the 30-minute, and the 30-minute needs to make a bottom wick. So could you do a YouTube video on the outcome of news events and how it affects GJ and gold? Yeah, I could actually. Good idea. A lot on the wicks and 30, that's my issue. Yeah, me too. That's why I kind of want to wait for the closure. That's probably what I'll do. Closures are your friend. But I mean, if this does start running off here, that's fine. For me, I can't justify. So for here, it's 5 pips stop. Nah, I'll pass. I'll wait. And if this does run off, that's completely fine. But it's not. You know, there's no FOMO for me. I don't really care. But yeah, it looks like pretty good over here. If you do, as long as you do flip. But I want to wait for the closure on the 30-minute. Let's just write this signal then. If I'm starting to look for one and get it all ready. And yeah, should be good over here. So buy stop's gonna be around about this zone over here, so I'm just gonna do 6. So targets, let's take a look at some targets over here. So first one's obviously gonna be 10 pips, which will be around about this zone. Then to continue, probably 892. And then to continue even further over here, it's gonna be looking nice to come probably 151 flat. Right in this zone over here, yeah. 151 flat would be pretty decent. Nice. So looks like it is making the lower wick now, which is interesting. But I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute closure. I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys, and I'll come back. Make sure to send some charts in if you guys. Why 10 pips? What do you mean? Why 10 pips stop? That's how I trade, bro. That 50-minute is like more than 40 pips. I'll wait to see if we can have a weak bearish in the 30 to 15 and then next candle break the previous. In this case, we'll have a better stop loss. Very true, Minx. That's what I'll be waiting for too. Yeah, like a celery play you could play. As long as the candle like closes like around about this area. Celery could be nice. All of that good stuff. Right, I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. Wow, look at that pull down. Holy shit. Is that to 10 pips? Oh, it is as well. Oh, shit. So, what I'm saying here is that if we do flip, it's a 10 pip stop, really. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 30. So that's just from timing of candles, you know. We've only got 9 minutes left of this 30 until the next candle has to close. So this candle closed to make the lower wick. So, you know, don't want to get in too early. I don't want to get in too early over here, so I'm just going to be patient. Wait for the 30 to close. 84 viewers, amazing guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? Make sure to like that stream, for sure. Make sure to like that stream, it helps me out tremendously. And yeah, we're just chilling. So let's take a look. Where did gold go over here? Oh wow, gold actually came down over here. Nice. So look, 15 did close below. Nice. So that could have been an option. The only issue here for me was this zone. Too many candles, too many rejections. I was not happy over here. 7 o'clock candle right up here. Damn. Yeah, I normally see gold has some nice moves at 7 AM. I'm not gonna lie, pretty decent. Pretty decent over here. So yeah, 8 minutes time for this candle over here. Hopefully we can get a nice closure. So what I'm saying is we could either get a closure, a little bit of a bearish one, but it has came down over here. As long as the body's quite short, like right about this zone, maybe on them highs. And then when we start exceeding over here, that'd be nice, and stop loss up below here. So that will look like a celery play. So this will be, let's take a look over here. This is what it will look like. This one here, so the candle close weak bearish, then the next one we buy exceeding the highs. Beautiful. Yeah, and then hopefully that'll be celery on the 15, but that'll be a closure above on the 30 like this. So that's all we'll wait for. You can see other setups, very, very simple. Hopefully we can get the closure. So for me, I kind of want the closure to be obviously above the 30-minute stuff. So even though my zone for buys is above here for the 15, I'm wanting this 30-minute to close above the 30-minute resistance, which is here, 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 here. So let me just put a line on here. 30-minute res. So if you do get the closure down the 30-minute, then it's good. And then if we do exceed and flip at 695, this could be quite a good opportunity for me. 156.95, yeah. So 6 minutes left. Let's see if we can get a trade over here to start the week off. Now enter gold. What do you think? There's traffic here as well. I just don't like the way gold is on the left. Could be though. Or it's too late. Well, that's your decision. I don't know. I think for me, getting in above here was nice. Getting in here was nice. But now you're coming towards liquidity zones. Look at the rejections here. So I would just leave it, to be honest. I'd just leave it. I still like mine. Your volume is too low. On my mic? Is my volume too low on the mic? Let me check. Are you lying? Are you lying to me? Nah, that's alright.
No, you're right, mate. You're right.
Yeah, I thought I was. Maybe Paul, try and turn your mic up, your volume up, maybe. Oh, I think maybe my new music might be a little bit too loud. Let me just change this over here. Where the fuck is it? This one here. Turn that down a bit. Okay. So 5 minutes time. I don't want to close in too strongly bearish. I want it to be like around about this area. and the 30-minute definitely needs to close above 635 for me. Beautiful. 88 viewers, amazing guys. Make sure to like the stream if you haven't already. Let's get it going. Also, and subscribe as well if you are new. The new goal is 5,000 subscribers. 5,000. It's when you give that vape a good puff, you move your microwave. Sound is always good. The good puff.
Morning, man.
Morning, squad. How you doing?
Good, thanks, bro. Yourself?
Yeah, not too bad. It's a shame that we're not getting some setups over here, but we should do in 4 minutes time. It could be pretty good. Have to see. Is it?
You got any thoughts on the? Sorry.
No, you go.
I was gonna say, have you got any thoughts on the 4-hour resistance? It was 30th of September.
Yeah, wait. Let me take a look over here. Right here.
Yeah,
that's all right. So, right about this level, obviously you've got wicks to fill as well. That's not too bad. Obviously, this is the whole 4-hour candle. For me, it's not too bad because at these times, like around about this level and stuff, I will be putting my stop loss to break even anyway. So, for example, if we did get into a trade over here, that's 50. That's like 5 pips away. I'll probably be looking to just put my stop loss to break even at that time. So, the 4-hour resistance is at 750. So. Yeah, right about this zone over here. Yeah, I expect the London volume to push up as well. So I'm not too bothered. Try not to think too in depth for like the 4-hour resistances. Try to think of them as if. Thank you. Who is this? Kevin, thank you for subscribing. When you're coming up to 4 hours and you've only got like maybe half an hour left and you're not like exceeding, then that's a worry. But we've got an hour and 33 left. We've got good volume, so it shouldn't be too bad. I only really care about the 4-hour resistances when like it's coming towards the candle close. Is it going to close above? Probably not. Like in that time. Yeah, don't be too worried about that. So,
thanks, man.
the 30 minutes needs to close above over here. And I'm being serious. If it doesn't close above here, I'm not asked at all, because it needs to close at least above this resistance that's made before. Look at this 15. Holy shit! Is it possible to download the files of the possible setups you have? Yeah, I'll try and do that. My mentorship group have them all, but I'll try and get that for everyone because that'll be nice for everyone. 2 minutes down over here. Yeah, if you are in the mentorship group and you've just joined. I think I put it in this group. Yeah, the chat. So if you guys aren't in the chat, make sure you come in the chat. And I posted them here. Look, so you can just download them there. Make sure to do that. They just give you quite a good basics of what you're looking for over here. So look at this candle rejecting them highs straight away. So look, waiting for a low wick here, guys, saves you, so much. Like even if you wanted to enter on this 50-minute flip, we never got the flip. Okay. And now we've just saved ourselves, how much drawdown? Like 15 pips drawdown. Thank you, Saran, for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. 59 likes, amazing guys. Make sure to like that button if you guys have learned something. Make sure to like that button if you have not taken a GJ buy yet, because you're waiting patiently like me. Make sure to like the screen if you're waiting for this low wick, and look, it never came back up over here, so you just saved yourself. So the difference, I did a video on this on my YouTube. Let's see if I can find it over here. I really advise you guys to go and watch it because it is a very, very good video. So let's take a look over here. Oh, 1040 now, nice. So where was it? This one here. Okay, it really goes through what I'm talking about, and this maybe for top wicks, maybe for bottom wicks, and it's also talking me about other setups. So for example, another setup here could be right at this time, getting in on the closure. Look, Calvin, I'll give it out to everyone in time, probably this week sometime. If you get in on the closure, so some people take trades when the next candle closes. So if this candle closes, they enter straight away, and it's a good way of getting in. The positives are if it does run off straight away, then you're gonna get that. But the negatives are your stop loss is gonna be fucking gigantic. Your risk on it has to be a lot lower because your stop loss is gigantic, and also you're gonna take some drawdown because it has to make a lower wick. And then I came up with this thing of waiting for lower wicks all the time because you don't have to do that anymore. You don't have to be worried. Thank you, Loki, for subscribing. you wait for the low wick. It also then gives you a stop loss. So for example, you know, instead of having a fucking massive stop loss, you could have a smaller one here. And then when you start flipping, you've got the literally the confirmation that you're in this zone, you've left the zone because you've just came back out and now you're wicking up. So beautiful. So let's take a look over here. The 30-minute didn't really close above for me. Didn't close above, so I may have to wait for another 15 at this time. So you can see my parameters are very, very tight. It's because I want such a big probability setup. I don't want to take a little shit setup. Wow, we're getting some subscribers over here. Thank you, Patrick, for subscribing. Beautiful. Make sure to like that stream, guys, if you wait for the bottom wicks. Beautiful. But yeah, as I said, you know, we do the NY session privately with the gang. So if you guys do want to join that, it's only £50 a month or $49.99. You know, if you have like a £2,000 account or a £1,000 account, that's literally a very, very small cut, and you'll make it from the signals anyway. So, and you gain a lot of knowledge. So, wow, looks like it's coming down over here. Wow, so the 7 AM volume for gold is pretty nice, pretty tasty. So I probably would have got in here because there's enough zone. Yeah, there's like a 14 pip zone to the next low, and then a runner would have just ran. Pretty tasty there. Very, very nice. So GJ still waiting for a closure over here. Still making the bottom wick of the 30. The hourly though coming back down over here. Got 28 minutes left for the hourly. I still think it's good time for taking some buys, but we're gonna have to wait for a closure above again maybe. Beautiful. Yeah, then I'll have to buy. I don't think my computer. I didn't customize it with the fucking Bluetooth in, so it doesn't have any Bluetooth in. So I'm gonna have to fix that, which is rather annoying. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, make sure to join it. So 298 members. Let's see how many people can actually see anything. Wow, so 68 members can't see. So you have to go to this page, the server rules, click this button, and then when you click this button, you turn into a green member, and that means you're verified, and then you can actually do everything and actually see everything. EJ London move range break. Yeah. Ooh. So I kind of like that. The only issue I have is that this candle over here, the 15-minute here, closed very, very weak. Shows rejection. Obviously, it worked out nicely here, but for me, I probably would have stayed out of that because of this candle over here. You know, very, very long body, short body, long top wick. Kind of suggests that we're making resistance over here, and it didn't close strongly above. So for me, I probably wouldn't have taken that trade, but looked like it came out nicely over here. 10 pips, delicious, beautiful. Very, very nice. GU over here still playing. Oh, it's going to flip over here. Nice. So for me, I'm probably still going to have to wait a bit longer. We could do the celery play, but where would our stop loss be? Yeah, 15 pips. Oh, stretching it. That's stretching it a little. Any tips on getting more confidence with trading gold? Yes, trade it with a demo for a year or 6 months. And trade it at the only times where there's volume, which is 1 o'clock UK time, where the big volume comes in. To be fair, there is quite a lot of 7 AM moves at the moment. But yeah, I think if you're wanting to trade gold, I'd advise, if you haven't mastered another pair yet, I'd probably master another pair and then trade gold. Because gold is quite a hard one over here. So look at this now, we're coming back into the zone over here. So close back in the zone, fill it up. Not the best, still 25 minutes though, so if we do start closing back above again on the 15, I could be happy to take it. But yeah, so another prime example of waiting for that bottom wick really does save you a lot of hassle. A lot of hassle. So yeah, beautiful. 81 viewers over here. Cheese! Very, very nice. Oh, some people have mentioned me. Guys, if you're also on Instagram, make sure to tag me in stories. Really helps me out. I like that. So if you guys... so someone's already tagged me over here. I love that. Zeki has tagged me. If you do tag me in the streams, I will put them on to my story. Helps me out. Wicked. So yeah, it looks like we're coming down over here. Rejected them high. So did anyone take these buys? Someone must have. Someone in this chat definitely took these fucking buys. Wait for the low wick, you pussy. And it just saves you so much money, so much time, so much effort. It's great, man. Yeah, beautiful. But look nice, but you know, waiting for that lower wick to then get the confirmation we're leaving the zone over here. And yes, there is going to be some times, I say it all the time, there is going to be times where this candle closes and then rinses off straight away, okay? I won't be in this trade because, you know, it's not in my style, and the reason is because it doesn't have a high probability. It happens once every like 2 weeks maybe, and people on stream will be like, "Oh Max, why did you not take that trade? I took it." I'm like, well, yeah, I know specifically now that you are an emotional trader, because people who try to get in straight away are the ones who have FOMO. They don't want to miss the trade. And there's two types of FOMO as well. You have someone who is FOMO, as in they don't want to miss the trade, so they just get in, even though it's already moved off, or oh no, just before it's moved off, you know, they get FOMO, fear of missing out. And then people get FOMO when it's already in the trade, and they try and get an entry, which is so just not the best entry. One thing that you need to do with trading is realize if it's a if you've missed the move or not. So for example, someone's saying here, "Oh, should I take these gold stars?" Well, oh, you probably missed the move. You know, if you miss the move, that's completely fine. But you can't try and get in later, because that will really piss you off. I fucking did that all the time, man. Like, there'd be a massive buy. Huh?
I would have took that last week.
Yeah, man.
I definitely would have took that last week. Now I'm sort of starting listening to you. I'm being a good boy.
Yeah, good lad. Well, exactly, you know, like, it's just... Obviously, sometimes it works into the adrenaline, but you need to realize like that's not going to work all the time. Wait for the lower wick, and then towards like the half of the candle, when then we do get the flip, then it's going to be looking so much nicer. But if that doesn't happen, just don't take it. It's not about the quantity of trades; it's about the quality. So just chill. Like some weeks I'll take like 4 trades or 3 trades, but they'll all be right. So, you know, if you risk 1.4% on each one, take 3 trades, whatever, that's 4.2% for the week. That's what I want. I want 4% for the week. So, minimum. So that's what you do. Because 4% to 5% a week is 20% a month. So if you want to compound your account and stuff, you could change your lot size every month to 20% more. Right. Yeah, so coming down, GBPUSD still chilling, nothing much really, to be honest. And this one's relaxing as well. So yeah, it might be a choke day today. Hopefully we can still, what time is it right now? 8:40. That's completely fine though. So, you know, being able to not take the trade here is beautiful. I've actually got a quote I'm going to be posting on Instagram. Let's see if I can get it. There's some guy in how the fuck? Oh, I actually can't do it. It's actually some guy I followed. What's it? Profile. Oh, how do I go from top to bottom, man? Oh, it does not let me do it. Oh, fuck off. Oh, I'm never gonna find it. But anyway, it was a good quote basically saying, you know, you need to be wait. You get paid to wait. You get paid to wait. Dude. Wow, amazing guys. Let's hopefully we can hit 70 likes over here. And wow, we gained a lot of subscribers today. Holy shit, like it's been dinging quite a lot. So yeah, soon I'm gonna upgrade. I want that fucking Rode mic, because these headphones now are starting to really hurt me. Like, I literally wear them all day. Like, oh, they're just like, fuck. I feel like I'm growing like fucking potatoes in my ears. Like, they're just so like fucking horrendous with these on. Let's see if you. Oh, I can't even see it. Wow, he gained like 10 subscribers on this bitch. Amazing. Oh, shit. So yeah, finally I'm gonna get that revenue on this bitch now, but it takes time, monetization. I wanted to do a video on that just to give some people some motivation. Use AirPods, bro. Yeah, I know. Can you use one of them? Like, because I might buy. Because the only issue is, right, is I've got like, you know, like the normal not the AirPods, like the wired ones, like the newer ones. And one of them, so the right one fits properly, but the left one just can't fit in. So I'm assuming that's exactly the same for the AirPods. So you know, that'll be useless. I couldn't even fit the left one in. So I think I have to get the Pros because they fit more in here. Wow, that trade on gold over here. Holy shit. That was nice. You can use one. Alright, that's not too bad then. But then it's like, oh, is it even worth it? Why don't I just pay another £70 for the beefy ones? Get the Pros, yeah, I might have to. I've got a lot of shit on my list at the moment that I need to buy, man. Fuck. I'm also wanting to get a car soon, so that'll be pretty fire. I'm just saving for the right one. When I was at the cinema again, I saw an M2, and oh my god, man. I just fucking like them, and they're amazing driver cars. They're fucking sick. The fuck?
Exactly what I did.
Yeah, man, like, too fair, where is it? Yeah, even they're quite nice. I actually quite like the 1 series, I'm not gonna lie, the 1 series, the new ones look pretty sick. Not the old ones too much, I like the new ones. Let's take a look at some, let's take a look, see, I always check this, I always check my dad's, see if there's any more online. Let's take a look over here. 4, wow, that's so mad. Look how cheap that is. Yeah, man. Like, these are anniversary ones, these are the shit ones. You need to get the 5,000 ones. Where are they? Oh my god, there's actually no 5,000 ones. That's mad. So ours is a 5,000 Quattro Valve. This one's the anniversary. So this is like, it's got slits in. It's not the best looking one.
What do you think of the new ones? The new
Oh mate, my dad fucking kicked off. So apparently, I like the front of it. I think the front's quite cool, but they fucked up on the advertising. So they basically, because like these all have models, so this is like the anniversary one. There's a 4,000 one, there's a 5,000 one, and they got the picture wrong. They got the slits in one, and then for some reason, obviously their marketing people got the cars wrong. It's like, oh, you don't even know your history. Like, come on, man. Like, they put on like the slits of the 4,000 with the 5,000. Oh, come on! Like, so the Countach owners, like, because my dad's in like a group with all of them, they were fucking pissed off. But it's just another scheme. Like, I don't know. I think the back of it looks like a Cyan or whatever it's called. Yeah, wait, let's have a look over here.
Yeah, it does actually.
Yeah, like, it's like, it looks nothing like the yeah. So apparently this picture here, is it this one? Oh no, I think it's one in the background. Yeah, this one. So this one right here, that's wrong. Apparently it's got something that I shouldn't have. I don't really know. I'm not too much into the thing. But yeah, look at the back. The back's really not like that. But yeah, I'd still have, and my dad's will probably sound pretty much, because that'll just sound like an event at all. My dad's just loud as shit. We went to Silverstone a couple of weeks ago, and oh my god, like, I don't know why, but my dad is the loudest Countach there. I don't know why. But like, the shit pops like a motherfucker. It's sick. I mean, one of the, to be fair, I think it is misfiring, but that shit just sounds amazing.
I think they overpriced that one though, the new one.
Yeah. How much is it
It's
as well?
It's not 2 million, I think.
Yeah, that's fucking.
It's too much.
I know, but it's just for the people. I mean, it's, you know, so one of my dad's mates, I'll show you him. He's quite big. He won't be on here actually. Let's go my other one. Oh shit, I'm not on there. He's called I'll get him on here. But he was a hedge fund owner, so he's got a lot of money. But he loves cars and shit. And we go to not Silverstone. We go to Geneva every year. I'll try and find him. Yeah, like he's like told me some funny stories of where like he'll go, oh, like, can I buy like a laugh? So like when they were coming out of LaFerrari, and they're like, no mate, you need to buy like all of these cars before, like you're not even entered. And one of my dad's mates, Alex, actually he's got a YouTube. He's got a YouTube, and his YouTube's sick. If you like cars, you'll like his, because he's got everything. So he's got what's his fucking Alexander? Oh yeah, wait. But yeah, he's got Michael Schumacher's F1 car, which he races around. He's got a laugh. Yeah, he's got everything, but it's mad. Like, yeah, you see like in the pits and stuff, and like he's got you know, LaFerrari FXXK. He's got McLaren P1 GTR. He's got all of them. But yeah, he said like he obviously gets like full access to everything. He's got his own office in the McLaren garage because he's there so much. But it's like, yeah, like, you know, people who are just wanting like a nice car, like it's sort of saved up, they're just not even cared about because of that. Yeah, unless you've got like a social media presence, like, do you know Shmi? Anyone know Shmi, like the YouTuber who does cars? Yeah, like, he gets quite a lot of royalties and shit, and like he got like the Ford GT car, which everyone was kicking off with because people who've like been collecting Ford GTs for years, like he got access and no one else really did. But yeah, it's just about all what you bring to the company now, really. Yeah, I'm trying to find. Oh, that's it. I think it's called. Wait. Yeah, this is it. I don't want to absolutely ear rape you, but this could be quite loud. Let me turn this bitch down. Oh, that's okay. I was thinking a fucking V8 gonna be flying over here. So it's just him driving this thing, but he's got like a fucking camera on. When I was in UK, I was doing flipping cars with my dad, but I didn't like the weather there, man. Yeah, the weather's fucking shit here, man. Look at this. That's fucking sick. It's a proper F1 car, that. Look, he's just got everything, so... Try and see his FXXK. Yeah, this shit sounds amazing. He actually records it. Mad. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Like his YouTube's fire. Like he does all the tracks as well, so like Spa. There's a P1 GTR. Pretty sick. Bro, look at GJ. Oh snap. So for me, there is no confirmation yet. I'm gonna have to wait another 11 minutes. 30 minutes is exceeding though. I mean, let's have a look over here. If you're getting on the flip, ooh, nah, 20 pip stop. That is not for me, unfortunately. But if people like bigger stops, I mean, it could do. But I'm gonna wait for the closure over here. And if you don't get the closure, then that's fine. It's also 11 minutes at the end of the hourly. What does this mean? Someone tell me. Someone tell me. $11 minutes left. So there's 11 minutes left of this hourly. Let's take a look at the chat. We wait, yes, because you know when we're having a 1 hour candle closure over here, it has to make the bottom wick for the next one. So it's very likely we're going to be making drawdown. New hourly will create a bottom wick. Exactly. So there's no point, even though it could run off over here. It's about the discipline and stuff like that, waiting for the closures. Sean goes, your dad's mate that owns the hedge fund, what's his thoughts on FX retail trading? I don't think it really cares. I don't think it really matters. I haven't asked him about it. But he's like he's like Billy Big Bollock. I think he got IPO in that Alibaba, you know, from China, because he can speak. He's Swedish, but he can speak Chinese. So he's like in like the Shanghai and like Hong Kong a lot and stuff, which is mad. So he speaks Swedish, fucking Chinese, English. Like that's mad. That's a clever guy. But like obviously he's like huge. So like apparently my dad was like you know, there'd just be like a dinner and you just have to go off, or like you'd be up at night at like 5 a.m. doing shit. And yeah, you'd have to go for like phone calls all the time and shit. Mad. But I think now he doesn't really do much of it now. He just goes and plays with his cars. So yeah, 9 minutes time over here. We'll see if we get a closure. So Enzo goes, most likely it'll make a win. Exactly. So knowing this knowledge, it's just so much easier if you get the closure. And if it does run off over here, that's fine. That's the dream, man. Yep. It's funny though, because it depends. I think it's some people just are not like for example, like I remember my dad telling me first he met this guy like on the Lambo tour, and like he does like this trading stuff, and he said to my dad, he said, I could teach you what I do in a week. So like if I was there, I'd be like, well, fucking teach me then. Holy shit. Fucking teach me, man. I'll book this week off and you teach me, please. But my dad's just not like that. He just doesn't care enough.
What do hedge funders do? They just basically trade, though, don't they?
What, the hedge fund?
Yeah, they just trade. Don't they just trade? They know what they...
Yeah, they trade, but they also got so much big capital that they're kind of... well, that was that whole thing about, you know, that Wall Street bet and stuff. They've got so much cash that they can move the markets, really. So, you know, even though they look like they're doing something quite special, I obviously don't know behind most of it, but it looks like they have quite a big edge. Because they have, like, you know, putting in £1 billion into something, into one place straight away, you know, it can quite have a big effect if it's quite a low stock or whatever. But yeah, I think they do that, but obviously a hedge fund is hedging. So what they do is, you know, they hedge their risk. So... that's taking a buy and a sell at the same time. But it's quite complicated. I learned it at uni, but it is very, very complicated. And like using options to hedge your risk and all that kind of stuff. So hedging's quite a big topic. I mean, hedging's all around the world, which people don't realize. So, you know, what I learned at uni was, you know, a lot of festivals, music festivals, they all hedge their risk. So, you know, they don't know if they're trying to organize a festival next year. They're trying to organize a festival. They don't know what the price is. So, for example, if they're trying to buy half their equipment in euros, but it's in the UK, they don't know what the price of their exchange rate is going to be in a year's time. They'd rather have the comfort of knowing how much they could pay now. So they normally hedge their risk by putting a option into the bank, by giving them a right to buy a certain amount of euros or pounds or whatever at a certain price, so they can keep it. Because if they didn't do that, and you know something dramatically happens with, I don't know, if the pound fucking decreases in value, then they can't buy all of their stock. So they always, you know, a lot of places hedge, which you wouldn't even think. So that, yeah, a lot of music festivals is a good example of it. But yeah, hedge funds do a lot of shit. I don't really know too much about it, to be honest. But yeah, big boys.
Well, you wanna get close to him, and we'll do that week together, mate.
Yeah, bro, facts. Yeah, man. But to be fair, I mean, even getting into that now, I mean, it's just ridiculous. So, you know, what you've realized, especially like my age and stuff, like, so when I did this PwC, so I applied for PwC, which is like an accounting firm, pretty big, and like as I said, like I got to all the stages, passed everything, but they're so demanding and so you know, kind of just they don't really care about you at all, really. They said, oh, sorry, by the way, you've passed all the stages. We've filled up all of the spaces though, so good luck. You're just gonna have to be in the waiting list. I'm like, you fucking taking the piss. I just literally did like a day's worth of work whilst I was at uni. I was the only kid there who wasn't at Oxford and Cambridge, and you still fucked me off. Like, oh, it was annoying as hell. But because the demand's so good now, for like working in like finance and stuff, you just fucked really, because you could apply from all around the world. And now because the government in the UK have put like, so if you graduate from any good university in the world, you get a free visa to come over here. So that's making it even less likely to get you a job, because they're just going to pick some people from Harvard. But yeah, like they treat you like shit because they know they can fill their boots up, because what else are you going to do? And like, it was funny, my dad was saying, like how much is like a graduate job like anyway? I was like, oh well, you know, the good ones are like, you know, 25, but like normally it's gonna be like 20 grand. He goes, that was exactly what mine was, and that was fucking 20 years ago. And he goes, the only difference now is the fucking housing prices and rents extortionate. So like, you know, wages hasn't changed for 20 years. That's fucking ridiculous. It's like all our ages now, people going to uni are fucking goose like. Goosed. So look here, 4 minutes time, getting a closure over here now. So this is looking pretty decent. So as long as you make a nice bottom wick, probably around about this area again. That's going to be looking pretty nice to you. Then flip and continue. Let's see how much zone we've got. Yeah, nice 20 pip zone. So people in a trade now, if you got in early, now you're going to have to be like, right, shit, it's 4 minutes left. I'm either wanting it to hit fucking TP pretty much quickly, or I'm going to have to put my stop loss break even and hope the bottom wick for the next hourly doesn't wick me out. So with the music festivals, hire someone to do that. Yeah, they'll have a finance department. Yeah. On GJ, where's your TP? Well, 10 pips, 20 pips, and then 940 is the big one. But it looks like we're running off over here. Don't leave without me, motherfucker. So 4 minutes left. Yeah, so like all places will do that, especially if you're doing it in different countries. You have to have that risk because you don't know what could happen with the pound and whatever. And obviously, if you're dealing with millions, one little percentage change is fucking 10 grand, 100 grand. Like it goes very, very mad, especially with a lot of money. So let's look at the 4 hour now. 4 hours looking nice over here. It's got an hour left of this 4 hour. I mean, it's looking pretty good. To continue, especially if you close above 157.40 in the next hour, that'll be pretty decent for sure. So 3 minutes, tasty. Right, 2 minutes 50 left, so beautiful. Exactly what we're waiting for the whole time. I haven't seen these wicks over here, but I still think with the volume it should be good to continue. So what I'm waiting for here now, guys, is the closure, which is going to happen in 2 minutes time. Then the next candle to make a bottom wick, and then to flip. I probably will get on the flip because the high is quite far. But depending on the stop loss, if I could get in on the high here with the stop loss being 10 pips, that would be nice, but I doubt that. I think it's going to be the flip of the candle. Oh, 73 likes, amazing, guys. Make sure to like the stream. If you guys have learned something today, make sure to like that. It really just helped me out, and then we can get a big audience. Imagine having like 200 people in here. The questions would be sick. We get some gulag questions. Coffee's cold, that's when you know I've been talking too much. I want to try and hit 100 likes. You haven't hit 100 likes yet, I'll be sick. You learned from Raja. Cool stream, by the way. Cheers. Yeah, I learned from Raja. I went on his YouTube. I found him in 2018 on Twitch, and then he went to YouTube, and I just watched him every day for 2 years on stream. When I was at uni, I'd be listening to him. Yeah. So instead of actually doing any work, I was just listening to Raja's stream and lectures. But uni was a piece of shit anyway. It was boring. But I got 68%, so it's not hard either. If people take A levels at in the UK, they're harder than uni by far. For the entry, if any, will you wait for the flip and then you enter, or wait for the break of the high? I'm gonna wait on the flip probably because I don't know actually, depending. I'm gonna have to see where the stop is. The stop I want to be 10 pips, 12 pips. I don't want any more than that. So hopefully the low wick can come towards this zone, which will be nice because it'll be confirming that we're leaving this zone again to then continue off. So it'll be probably on the flip. Or maybe the high, we'll see, Let's see if I can get 10 pips on the high. I'd prefer the high because it'll be exceeding, but I don't really mind, to be honest. I love your stream, yeah, man. Stream's good fun. Stream is good fun. So 16 seconds, nice. Wow, look how clean that was. Fuck. Shame that resistance bullshit was here, because that would be nice. Oh, GBPUSD starting to make some support over here. Buys above would be nice. So look, jumping off straight away, that's fine. I don't need to take this trade because we're waiting for the lower wick over here. Hourly's closed above, very, very good confirmation over here. But getting into a trade now could be quite risky. So hopefully we can push down. If we don't, then I'm going to miss a trade, and that's completely fine. Still 14 minutes left, 30 minutes left, an hour left. So you have to say, you know, in this trade, you've got 59 minutes left. Is this going to make a lower wick? I don't know. I think it's going to. Hopefully. If not, then there's no trade for me. There is no trade for me. Come on, make a low wick, bitch. Come here, come here. Come here. 78 likes, amazing, guys. Let's try and get it to 100. I want 100 more. That's not even that many. It's 22 likes more. Let's get this like button. We spam this like. Beautiful. My nightbot's working well. Yeah, my nightbot's changed. People who were here like last week, oh my god, my nightbot was on some shit. If you put in any cap locks, they would fucking it would just ban you for like 5 minutes. So 28 minutes left. I'm really wanting to make the lower wick over here, and then getting on the flip will be nice. Come on, give me the flip. Make that lower wick, bitch. But yeah, looking good now. So if already exceeded the high of the previous daily, that's looking nice. Good, and there we go. So, as I said again, you wait for the bottom wick, motherfuckers. So people try to get in here, would have just been hit out of break even right now. So yeah, later on for NY session, that'll be done with the mentorship group. If you do want to join there, Nightbot has just put the link in to come and join. I'm going to make a website there, so I should kind of show you a bit more what's inside of it probably this week. But yeah, it'll be pretty fire. And I said the webinar's coming out today as well, which is pretty decent. So look at this over here. We're making the bottom wick now. Nice. I want a nicer bottom wick than that. Thank you very much. Especially because, like, normally I say, you know, if there's been bottom wicks in the recently, normally we make nice bottom wicks as well. So hopefully you round about this zone to then come and flip, and that'll be tasty. But really good confirmation. We've actually closed above the hourly, so we shouldn't come back over here now. 26 minutes left. Beautiful timing of the candles over here, so hoping it comes right about. Maybe touches 694, could be quite good. Come on, GJ, push down, boy. I can't believe you hit 82 viewers just so easily, man. It's mad. Considering my first stream was only like 2 months ago, and I was like 10 viewers, bro. It's a madness. Come on, push down better. Push down more. Push down more. Come on. Give me a bigger wick than that. So getting on the 15 over here, 22 pip stop. So no, there is no entry for me. Comfort level is 10 pips, 12 pips stop. Don't want anything higher than that really. And yeah.
You're waiting for this to go down a little bit more and then come back up. And as it comes back up, are you gonna go in on the new time when it changes time again, or?
Yeah, so I'll do it when it flips again. So you know what I'm wanting is this. So this candle's gonna come down, hopefully. Come down, make a 10 pip stop loss, which is gonna be my stop loss. And then when we start coming back up and flipping over here, I'm going to enter because we're rejecting that zone and then continue. That's the only way I can get in here, because if I got in now, the stop loss would be here. That's fucking miles away. It's 20 pips. I'm not risking 20 pips. And it really just gives me the lower wick for the hourly. So look at the hourly here, making the lower wick at this time. But yeah.
So you won't wait for a new candle then.
Probably not. No, I think because look, the 30-minute has 25 minutes left. That's perfect amount of time. If this had, 3 minutes left, then that would be worrying. I probably would wait for the next candle. But because you've got 25 minutes on the 30, that's fine. 15 still got time. I mean, probably not too much for the 15. I'll have to see. Still got 10 minutes left though. So still got 2/3 of the candle's time left. So it still does have time to come down and then start to push, because that will be the flip of the 30 as well. So we can still enter on this candle for sure. I just need a bigger bottom wick here. And it'll be on the flip because, if we get in the high over here, then that's going to be way too big stop loss. So I have to get in on the flip. But what I'm really wanting is to tap this zone, because if it taps this resistance here, then, it could either melt back down and come in here and reject, or if it starts flipping, that's rejecting this zone to then continue and fill the next one. So that's what I like about it. So hopefully you can get it. It's just chilling over here though. Just chilling. Do do do. Do do do. And if this candle over here just comes to like 3 minutes, we haven't flipped yet, yeah, I might have to just wait for it to close and then maybe do a celery play. But celery would be exceeding the highs over here, so I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. So yeah. So here I already got a 2-pip stop at this time, so can't really get in yet. I need it to push down a bit more, man. And if this just to start run off, that's fine. But I can't get in really. Wow, the chat's quite quiet today, man. Where is everyone? Let's see how many people have done this now. Still 231. Wow, I need to get these people to do it, man. Atashi, Ben McLeod. I know Atashi. He's always in here. Make sure to click this button or you won't be able to see anything. Wow. Close 60%. Beautiful. Is that no top wick? Oh, that's risky as fuck, that. Morning, my first time here. Amazing, Dan. Do you trade like Control FX? Yeah, me and Control FX trade very similarly. He takes a lot of celery plays. I don't really as much, but yeah, very, very similar. You'll see that me and his charts are very, very similar. It's actually quite interesting. That NY session that I did was very, very similar to his trade. We got basically the same trade. But he does like hourly.
Mate, I've got to go, yeah?
Yeah, man. I'll see you later. See you later, my man. Adios,
I want
bro.
to try and catch this train on the road.
Yes, sir. I'll put it in the chat anyway if we do. So, yeah. See you later, bro.
Take it, bro. Cheers, mate. Bye-bye.
What is a celery play? Celery play is this. So it is when the 50. I like it on the 15. I don't really take it on the 30. But it's when candle comes close towards over here, but closes bearish. But then the next one comes and exceeds the highs and breaks the zone. It's quite a good option. I don't like it. It's not my favorite option, but still pretty good option. For me, I like closures above, which is what we've got over here. So this candle right here is this, right? This candle is this, right? Can you see that this and this are very similar? We've got the closure now, which is here. Now waiting for the bottom wick, which is here, which is what it's doing now, and then hopefully exceeding, and then we get this trade, the entry candle. That's all it is. So you can see very, very similar. We had a range, we're broken above, closed above. Now we should make the bottom wick and then continue. Yeah. Make the bottom wick, you bitch. Ooh. And if not, we have to come towards NY session and do it all over again. It doesn't matter. You can't be pissed off about it. I'm going to try and find that quote now. Let's see what he's called over here. Alright, this is his Instagram. Let me go find this over here. Oh, this is him. Nice. So if you go in here, I'm gonna post it as well because it's quite good. This one. Preach this, bitch. Great traders are able to sit at the desk and wait for the high probability entries for their systems. We don't force trades attempting to force money out of the market just because we showed up at the desk. Don't get butthurt if you sit at a desk for 2 hours and can't get a trade. No one else cares, man. Okay, you're making the low wick now. Delicious. Still got 4 minutes left though. Ugh. So for me, it's gonna have to be probably on the 30-minute flip. I still want to push down a bit further over here, but I don't really like how this 15 is closing. Like this again, not the best. Do you wait for the bottom wick and then a break of the previous candle high, or the flip? So the flip and the previous. So for me, it depends on the stop loss. So for example, you know, if we got in on the flip over here, I've got a 3 pip stop loss. I kind of want a bit more, but if we got in on the exceeding the high, that's in 11 pips. So not too bad, but the only issue is that if I got in the high over here, we only don't have 10 pips to the resistance. So I have to get on the flip really. But I'm wanting this candle to push down a lot further than this. But yeah, so it kind of depends. The flip and the exceeding the highs, I can do both. It just depends on the stop loss. If the stop loss is anything greater than 10 or 12 pips, I won't be taking any trades. So for example, I couldn't get on this trade here because look, the stop loss is 26 pips. I have to wait for the lower wick. So maybe buy stops above 787 could be quite decent to then come and fill that wick up and continue maybe. I want it to come a bit further down though. If this does flip over here, oh look at that! Look at that 5 minute. Oh shit! What the fuck? I think this is going to continue now, but the thing is where's my stop? I mean, I could, yeah. 18 minutes left now. I mean, exceeding the high 787 could be a good entry, to be honest. Look at the hourly. It's just I want the bottom wick to be a bit more greater than that. I mean, I could try a very, very small stop loss play. So if we do exceed here, I could have a stop loss which is 5 pips. But for me, I don't know. It's not perfect. Not a perfect trade I'm looking for over here. It's going to close in 2 minutes' time. I don't like this top wick over here. It's a bit annoying. I wish it wasn't here so I could actually drive on. 17 minutes' time, though. I think it's still looking decent for buys over here. It's just how to get in is the problem. How to get in, man. 2 minutes time if we close bullish, nice. I mean, exceeding these highs again with stop loss below could be quite a good option, to be honest. So getting in about now, but the only issue is the 50 needs to make a bottom wick, so so this could be the low of the hourly now to continue. The 50 minutes got a minute 47 left. Okay, that's decent. I may wait for the closure. Then maybe a little bottom wick again, and if we do start flipping this candle, then I will probably enter. It's going to be quite a short stop loss, but I think we actually might miss this move over here. That's completely fine. Not really too bothered about it. But it looks good now. The 30 minute looks nice. Has made the bottom wick over here, which is around about 7 pips. But yeah, I want to wait for this candle closure, wait for the bottom wick. Why not put a stop loss to current low? Yeah, I can. But also, look at the time. The reason why I'm not getting in right now is because, look, got a minute left. Why don't I just wait for the closure over here? Because the next one needs to make a bottom wick and then to continue. So I'll be waiting for that. But yeah, I might get in on the flip there. Why not? It's quite a nice stop loss. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, that's really put me off. Look at that rejection again. 50 minutes left of the 30 minutes. Still has time to continue on over here. So 20 seconds left. If it closes like this is a very much doji candle. What does this mean? But if it does close a bit stronger over here, it could be nice. But doji candle shows. What does doji candle show? Someone in the chat showed me. So doji is where the long candles have a long top wick, a long bottom wick, but the body's quite short. What does this show? We know the word. Let's take a look. Indecision. There we go. See, man, people in this chat are flying. Indecision. It shows indecision. Doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. Not the best confirmation. Beautiful indecision. Well done, everyone. Nice. So, I mean, if you do get a trade, I mean, you could potentially put the stop loss here in the next zone. That could be a thing. Are you looking for a short around 151, 100? Nope. No short. Because that'll be trying to guess that this is the high, but what if you close above? Then we've got some more buys. So... Okay, next one. Oh, this could be nice. I might take this if we make a lower wick over here. Because I can get a nice stop. 4 pips. Right. At 800 level with a 30 pip stop. That could be quite nice. Yeah, I'm going to take that over here, I think. 737. Right, I'm gonna execute a trade over here. Oh, can I get in? Can I get in? So I quite like it because I've got a quite short stop loss over here. Not got any yet. We'll wait a bit longer. It's gonna hit 800. Then we can get in over here. Very, very risky play. I would advise probably not doing this too much, but I still think with the volume's good. We've actually closed bullish again. Let's see over here. So it comes back up again, 800 level. Right, I'm in now. So we'll see if we can still continue. Look at the 5 minutes, making strong bullish. Nice. Hopefully we can continue over here. Oh shit, I actually might have to change something on there. Yeah. Let me just edit this 1 second. Coming down over here, making a bottom wick over here, so that's alright. I'm alright. I've got a very, very tight stop, so I'm not really too bothered. If you do exceed the low of the previous 15 over here, it's not going to be the best, and then I'll call it a day for sure. And yeah. 30-minute looks good though, promising. As long as you don't exceed the low over here, it could be quite nice. And yeah, beautiful. The fuck are there? Nice. So yeah, a little bit of drawdown over here, not too bad. A bit of a risky trade. This is not normally a one I'd take just because of the 15, but I still think it's a good option because the 5 minutes approaching like this. But we'll see if we can stay above this low that we've just created in the 15. Hopefully it's making a bottom wick right now to then flip and to continue. But if not, I'm going to close full at this low over here. If I keep it on, that's not the best. This is the entry I want to get into. If you do exceed the low, which we're coming down to already, then we're done. We're done. Out. I'm out. Beautiful. Close full over here. So yeah, not good setup over here for GJ. Full. Very, very pain in the ass. It is pain in asshole over here. 30 minutes still had potential over here, but unfortunately we just couldn't continue. So a bit of a shame. This candle didn't close as much as I wanted to, but I still think that was a nice option with a small stop loss over here. But nice, beautiful. So I still think in 10 minutes time this can still continue, which is a bit unfortunate for me. But what can you do, eh? So let's take this over here. I got in at 800. So I took a 7 pip loss over here. So beautiful. Very, very happy to take that over here. Oh wait, let's do this 1 second. GJ. So what I look for NY is the exact same setups over here, closures above. The only issue is that the 15 was a bit risky, but I was happy to still take it. And also we know now, what time is it now? So it's 9:19, so it's coming towards where volume's a bit lower over here. So don't look at the charts between what's it called 9:30 between 11:30, because the volume drops down. There's no point. Just leave it be. Just leave it be. We need to see a clear confirmation of small bear candle getting disrespected by a biggest. Then we follow the wave. Beautiful. I think we need some pullback. Yeah, I mean, if this continues now, it's fine. But for me, I'm out of that now. That's being in asshole. But look at the 30 now. 9 minutes left. Delicious. 39 minutes left for that. Oh, this is gonna work now. So yeah, 50 minutes left. Nice. Maybe we will see something at NY. Yeah, exactly. Look at the volume now. The volume's getting bad. I mean, the volume was nice here, but you can see now it's just starting to drop off over here. And we know towards this time we don't take any trades. 84 likes, amazing, guys. Even though we didn't took a loss over here, very well managed, very, very small stop. Very, very happy for that. Not too bad. But yeah, I think for later on it's going to be nice. Let's see this 4-hour closure over here. If we do closure above 157.44, it's going to be looking delicious for some more trades. For sure. I like this 30-minute, yeah, but the 30-minute, so if this 30-minute over here closes a bit higher, that would be nice. But yeah, I mean, if this just continue over here, looks like it's going to, that is a bit of a shame. Entry reform in the 5-minute. Yeah, man, let's see. Let's see if we, I just want my analysis to be correct, okay? 30 minutes made the bottom wick now. Unfortunately, we got tapped out over here, but we'll see. Let's take a look at gold. Oh my god, wow. So gold ran like 70 pips. That's pretty amazing. Watch out for the bullish candle when it forms. That will be a signal. Did you take any trades today? Yeah, I took a little GJ loss over here. Just now, like literally 2 minutes ago. We waited for the bottom wick of the 15. I've seen it happen a lot of times. Just run off after it's made its little bottom wick. And then, yeah, couldn't come. Look at this 5-minute over here now. So now, hell no, I don't like this price action. Coming towards low volume. So yeah, just chill. Someone wants me to check Euro GPY. I bet it should be interesting over here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look over here. So let's get it all off. Look at the daily. Looking nice over here. Okay, so this is the daily flip, nice 4-hour bullish as well, right on here as well. Hourly, so looking decent. I mean, so now, I mean, it has had the closure on the hourly. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Let's just draw this resistance. So it closed right on it, but if this next candle in 7 minutes time closes above, that could be quite interesting as well. Holy shit. But I don't know how Euro GPY moves at this time now because I don't trade it. But if this is GJ over here, nice. We wait for the bottom wick, continue maybe for the next closure. Let's look at the hourly. So we've got 36 minutes left. Is that the low of the hourly? I do not know. I do not know. I do not know. So actually I took a 6.5 pip loss. Minus 6.5 pip loss for a 20 pip gain is always worth it. Oh, look at GJ over here, guys. Holy shit. Rejected. Look at that. So hourly is now making the lower wick over here, but we know volume starts to die down. So there's no point in trying to take an extra trade. Just wait until NY. Because now, you know, we're coming down over here. Ooh, look at this rejection. Look at this fake out. Do you consider the break of the high the daily high? And does that mean a deeper pullback before continuation? No. Breaking of high is fine. Someone's also said before, you know, the 4-hour resistance is here. So, for example, we've got 35 minutes left with this candle now. You need to really see where this closes, because if it doesn't close above 743, maybe can see that it's rejected these highs over here. But look at that pull down. Look at it, it's going to close in 5 minutes time, going to reject. That is going to be a fake out. GJ now buy? No, there's no GJ buy. There was a GJ buy before, which we took, which had a very, very good risk to reward. So the reason why I like this trade is because I can see left, right? I had a 6.5 pip stop loss and an 18 pip gain. That's nearly a 3-to-1 risk to reward. So I'm very, very happy with that. And all time frames are bullish, so this is what we've been waiting for. Not really. This is what I was waiting for before, but now, what am I going to say? Why are we not waiting for this, and why is this not looking good now? Not just because of like 9:30. Tell me why. Someone tell me. Talk about it all the time. It's going to be the webinar for today. Why do I not like getting into this trade now? It's blatantly obvious. I'll do this. Someone tell me on YouTube or Zoom. I've highlighted why I don't want to get into this trade if it flips. No volume, massive stop loss. Yep, but also, look what I've highlighted. It's got 4 minutes left. Is that enough for this candle to then do this? Make the bottom wick, which is what we waited for. Come flip. No, it doesn't have enough time. 4 minutes left. It's going to close bearish, man. So that is the main reason why. It's bearish. It's closed in 4 minutes time. And it's actually going to be closing back. This is going to be a fake out. So we don't get faked out many times, but today we did. Beautiful. Managed risk accordingly, though. So it took a minus 6.5 pip loss, actually. Let me just change that over here. 6.5 pip is beautiful. So if people are actually in my mentorship group, you can see that the past trades we've taken on GJ, the past losing trades in GJ, so the past 2 weeks you've maybe taken like 3 GJ losses. The stop loss that we hit basically every time is around 6 to 7 pips. So that's beautiful. And then our winners are 15, 20, 25, some things run for 30. So that's what I want to keep. But yeah, so coming down over here now, not the best. So yeah, beautiful. We've actually broken down GJ. It's actually a big fake out over here. We know volume dies down over here. GP, Euro GPY starting to run off here nicely. And gold is flew down. Holy shit. So that's nice. GBPUSD still chilling. GBPAUD still chilling. So yeah, nothing much going on, guys, now. So I'm going to actually call it a session over here, and we're going to wait until NY session because we know the volume drops off over here. No point of looking at any more trades. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks, man. See you at NY. Yeah, man. We'll see you at NY. Thank you very much. Peace out, guys. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much, YouTube. Make sure to like the stream before you've gone as well. Try to get to 90 likes over here. Bash that like button, boy. Bash that like button, man. And we'll see you NY session chat, and we'll see you London session YouTube. Thank you very much. Beautiful. See you later, guys. Peace out. Beautiful, beautiful. See you later, guys. Thank you very much.